Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the volume RV indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. With this indicator, we can essentially display 7 different various volume-based indices on the chart, and we can also have a signal line on it as well. This is a moving average that is applied to these values, and when a crossover occurs between the indicator values and the signal line, we can get buy and sell signals on the chart. Let's go through the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the number of candles.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Candles in the past on which this indicator performs its calculations. The next option is for the calculations. Here we can specify which of the 7 volume indicators to consider. By default, it is set to force, but we can choose from these options here. The next option is reverse. If set to true, it multiplies the value of that indicator by -1 and displays it in reverse. And if set to false, it displays the indicator in its normal form. The next option is the calculation period. The following option is the price type on which the calculations are performed. The next option, if set to true, displays the indicator as a histogram, and if set to false, displays it as a line. The following option is for the period of this white signal line, which is applied to the indicator, as well as the moving average calculation method. The next option, if set to true, displays the signal line, and if set to false, does not display it. The next option is for displaying these buy and sell arrows. If set to true, it will show them. The following option allows us to adjust the distance of these arrows from the candles, as well as their size. The next option is for the color of the arrows for buy signals, and the color of the arrows for sell signals. We can also specify the arrow code for buy and sell signals. The next option is for alerts. If set to true, the alert will appear as a message on the screen. This happens when these signals occur. The next option is for audio alerts, so when we have an alert, an audio file will also be played, and here we can specify that file. The next option is for email alerts. If set to true, we will also receive the alert in our mailbox. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.